don't eat humans.
Humans? Not really.
I don't eat humans that are green.
I don't think humans, only maybe if it's that human so that you can't catch anything else. Tell you tell.
I'll eat fish.
Fish, salmon, yeah.
Yeah. I would eat a lizard.
Lizards, yeah, they can catch small animals like mosses, lizards, deers. Okay, we do have. So now, see how many of us here, like a 15 wolf in a pack. Can you tell me how big animal we can have for lunch for all of us, that everybody stay?
I'm gonna catch a crocodile for lunch.
Crocodile?
Yeah.
Not in a nervous. Like if we are wolf family, wolf pack, and somebody has to go and catch the deer. Let's see, who will do that? Who do you think in a family of wolf provide food?
All of us. They do that. Just not baby.
Just not baby. That's a good point. So that means that bigger wolf go out to hunt and smaller they help, right? And do you know in that like a kind of hierarchy who's most important, who's kind of a little bit helper, who is the person that will provide food for wolf pack? How they call that wolf? Who is kind of in a front? You say?
I'm thinking get a crocodile.
Isn't it
Maybe
just
the-
better?
the
You
ba-
tell.
Can I show you something to play wolf?
Yeah, we're gonna play wolf. Yes.
I saw the big wolf on something. Like it's this big.
Okay. Big wolf outside or maybe in
No.
zoo.
Maybe the best wolf should be in the front. The
Best wolf, the fastest, the biggest. So those are the leaders, like the alpha wolf, like maybe dad in your family or your mom or your grandma, somebody who is the leader of the family and kind of make rules. Okay, guys, I'm so happy about everything you see. So how about if we now come in a circle and howl like a wolf, wolves, and become like a big wolf family, and then you can move. Can you turn and can you move to the front, please? And then we can. Who can start first? So head up, ears up, and then we can start. Ooh.